Hello everyone and welcome back to our series of solutions videos for the new grammar tree textbook. In today's video, we will be discussing chapter 22, Verbs, the past tense, for class 6. I'm here to provide you with the solutions to the exercises in this chapter. So, let's dive right in. A. Fill in the blanks with the simple past form of the verbs given in brackets. 1. Who dashed this essay? Answer, wrote. 2. Romila dashed for 2 hours without taking a break. Answer, played. 3. Were you dash of the dark when you were younger? Answer, frightened. 4. Who dashed the cake that was in the tin? Answer, ate. 5. He thought I dashed his pen. Answer, borrowed. 6. Sheila dashed the book because it was not funny. Answer, liked. 7. He dashed me for another sheet of paper. Answer, requested. 8. Rip Van Winkle dashed for 100 years. Answer, slept. 9. Did you dash how much India scored? Answer, no. 10. Last year, they dashed to Tehran on holiday. Answer, went.
B. Fill in the blanks with the past continuous form of the verbs given in the brackets. 1. He dashed dinner when we reached. Answer, was making. 2. It dashed heavily last night. Answer, was raining. 3. He dashed outside waiting for us to finish our test. Answer, was standing. 4. The careless person dashed at full speed before the police caught him. Answer, was driving. 5. I could not pick up the phone because I dashed when you called. Answer, was eating. 6. The dog dashed when the stranger arrived. Answer, was barking. 7. The birds dashed away when I rushed out with my camera. Answer, were flying. 8. She dashed at her own cleverness. Answer, was laughing.
And that concludes our solutions video. I hope this video has been helpful in clarifying any doubts you may have had regarding this chapter. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below, and we'll be glad to assist you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more solutions videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.